Okay, so today we're going back to the previous two lessons to kind of just move on and expand on what we can do with polynomials. So we're going to be talking about expanding and simplifying polynomial expressions. So when we expand and simplify polynomial expressions, we were basically performing the same as the last two lessons kind of combined. So we're just going to go through a few examples here. Example 1, okay, when we're expanding and simplifying a 2 times x plus 5 plus 3 times x minus 4, what we're essentially doing is we have to, well, multiply a monomial times a binomial, and then another monomial times another binomial. So when we multiply 2 times x, okay, we would get 2 times x, and then plus 2 times 5 times 5, okay, and then at the same time we'd also have plus 3 times x, so plus 3 times x, and then plus 3 times negative 4, so plus 3 times negative 4. Alright, so now let's just go ahead and simplify all these. Well, this would become 2x, and then 2 times 5 would be plus 10. Okay. Then plus 3 times x, 3x, and then plus 3 times negative 4 would become minus 12. Okay? And now we have to collect like terms, so we have an x term and another x term, so that would become 2x plus 3x, and then we have a plus 10 and a minus 12 is another like term, so we'd have plus 10 minus 12. So this would all become 2x plus 3x is 5x, and plus 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Alright, so that's our final answer there. Okay. Now I'm going to do B, and then I'm going to leave C for you to do on your own. So, if we're multiplying B out, we would multiply y times 2y and y times negative 7. So we would have y times 2y plus y times negative 7. Okay. And then we'd have minus 5 multiplied by 4y, so it would be minus 5 times 4y, and then minus 5 again times positive 3. Minus 5 times positive 3. Okay? Now, simplifying all these things together, that's a y to the 1, that's a y to the 1, so this becomes 2y to the 1 plus 1, and then positive y times negative 7 is going to be negative 7y, and then minus 5 times 4y becomes minus 20y, and finally minus 5 times positive 3 is a minus 15. Okay, so cleaning this up a little bit, this becomes 2y to the 2 minus 7y and minus 20y, and then minus 15, and finally we have two like terms we can collect here, minus 7y and minus 20y. Okay, so we rewrite the unlike terms, 2y squared, and now minus 7y minus 20y becomes minus 27y. and then minus 15. Okay, so there's your answer. Perfect. And then you'll do C on your own, and we'll go and we'll do example 2 next.